Okay, these are the gifts I got from you, Michelle. And look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And it's right, you can hear it. It's very thick. So you can hear it. And there's the card they gave us. Right? And a gift for you. And look at this one. Wow. Look at a beautiful bow. And that bow is very soft. It's not, you know, it's really nice. And the bag is really, really thick. Look how thick it is. Look. Look. Santa's bag. See? Told ya. Told you it's like Santa. And this is the card again. And gift for you. And then they put this in with, I got two of these, put this in with each one, and it says a surprise, a gift, your gift, or keep your gift a surprise. Unwrap your present before opening this envelope. So I can't wait. So these bags will not be going in the garbage, that's for sure. Look how thick they are. Can't get over it. It looks like a mesh on it. Look, see the mesh? See the mesh? Look. Look. Amazing. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, there it is. Thank you. Can't wait to open it up. Love you.